Alright, y'all, as promised, I got a follow-up video here to the parts I ordered from 1A Auto, TRQ brand. Front-end parts for 2008 Chevrolet Silverado. Previous video, I'll link it below. Bought this stuff a whole lot cheaper as a full kit than I could have at Advance, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, wherever, as individual parts. So what I ended up putting on was this sway bar linkage, and this lower ball joint and upper A-arm, control arm, whatever you want to call it, and that's it. I didn't put any of the steering tie rod ends, anything like that on there. So everything fit really well, everything went together nicely. Sorry I don't have a video putting it on, just seems like always on a time crunch trying to get this stuff together, and for me, I can't video and work. But luckily my husband helped me with all this. We got her done and it's driving good. It's got about 6,000 miles on it, no issues so far. But let me tell you, go ahead and save yourself some time. Have a ball joint tool ready to do this lower ball joint, because that thing is in there tight, and we could not press it out by any other means than going and just renting a tool. Also, I'll put on KYB shocks while we're under here. They were really rusty, the old ones, and warning on this, we had a spring compressor, you know, just the two threaded rods that compress each side of the spring, but they were not tough enough. Them things was bending trying to compress that spring, so we ended up going and renting another set, and then we put 4 threaded rods on 4 sides. Was that the safest thing? Maybe not, but maybe get a heavier duty spring compressor if you're going to be doing that, because that thing's pretty tough. But anyway, we got it all together. 6,000 miles. It's doing good. Don't know how long it'll continue to do that, but so far so good. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye now.